In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Gmail and make your inbox management much more efficient. Whether you're flooded with emails every day or just want to keep things organized, Gmail filters can help automate sorting and labeling, giving you more control over your incoming messages. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your Gmail account. To begin setting up a filter, locate the search bar at the top of your screen. To the right of the search bar, you'll see a small icon. Click on this icon to reveal search options. This brings up a menu where you can specify criteria for filtering your emails. It's a powerful tool that allows you to narrow down emails based on various conditions. Now let's set your criteria. You can filter emails by specifying who the emails are from, enter a specific address, and Gmail will gather all emails sent by that person. Similarly, you can filter emails by entering an address in the To field to focus on messages sent to a particular person. If you are concerned with the email content, use the Subject field to filter out emails with certain subject lines. You can also include keywords in the Has the Words box to filter emails containing specific keywords or phrases. If you want the opposite, fill in the Doesn't Have field to exclude emails with unwanted keywords. This will help you keep irrelevant conversations from clogging your inbox. For those with file-heavy inboxes, there's an option to filter emails by size using the Size field. This can be particularly useful if storage space is becoming an issue. Additionally, if you're only interested in emails with attachments, check the Has Attachment box. Once you have your criteria set up, click on Create Filter. From this point, you can decide what actions you want Gmail to take with the filtered emails. For example, you might want to automatically archive them by opting to skip the inbox, or you can apply specific labels for categorization. This labeling system can help quickly identify and retrieve your emails. Furthermore, you have the option to forward these emails to another address, which is great if you want someone else to handle them. Another action you can take is to categorize the email into predefined categories like social or promotions, keeping your inbox tidy and organized. For additional settings, head over to the Gmail settings menu where you can create and manage filters at any time, ensuring that your email management remains flexible and adaptable to your changing needs. And there you have it. By using Gmail filters, you can effortlessly automate and streamline your email workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Try experimenting with different criteria and actions to see what best suits your style. Happy filtering?